down when Ethan pled guilty to killing her daughter. What has she been going through, and what is it like to watch this today?
It's been a horrific year for her, and I'm sure all the rest of the families. Today was a traumatic day. And while there's a guilty plea, there's still plenty of answers that we need to find. But in the civil case, we will find that. As Ben knows, we specialize in getting to the bottom of things, and so we will get the answers eventually.
What did it mean to hear that he purchased the gun with his own money?
That's pretty incredible to hear, frankly. I don't know how it's going to affect any federal charges, but it's a stunning development that we didn't know about.
Will you
So
take
you
his
guys have
deposition now? Can you now?
Of course.
Yes.
Is that set? Has that been set?
Well, no, because you got to wait till after his guilty plea, and then he's got
And the sentencing.
and appellate rights, correct? But after that, heck yeah, we'll take a step. We'll take the parent step too when it's time.
Do you feel he should spend the rest of his life in prison without parole?
Absolutely.
It was cold-blooded what he did, and while he may have been dealt a bad set of cards with the parents, it's still a choice that he made to do the harm and bring the tragedy to Oxford.
His attorney just said he was remorseful. Do you believe that?
I can't tell you if he was remorseful or not, frankly.
It doesn't do much for my clients, I can tell you that.
No.
So
do
can we
your clients
ask too,
feel?
because they're sitting in there, you guys have had so much communication with the family throughout this time. They want answers. How did this happen? How can we prevent it from happening? Does his guilty plea not give them those answers?
The guilty plea doesn't give the answers that they really want to find out, which is the root cause. How did this happen, and how can we change it in the future? And that's what our job is going to be in the civil case.
How
Are there
do
any
your clients
specific
feel?
questions you're trying to get answered? What are you waiting for answers on? Specific
School.
questions?
Let's get it from the school. Still don't know. Still haven't had full access to all the records from the police department and the sheriff department and so forth. So hopefully this will be a first big step in us sharing all of that. I guess you all would like to see it too, wouldn't you? You think it's a FOIA document, don't you? A year later, and it's still not. So it's about time we're going to get the real answers. That's exactly what we're going to